Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Thank you for watching, subscribing. Don't forget to share and hit the bell icon on the YouTube channel. So today I'm in a Volkswagen Jetta and making a quick video on how to reset your oil service light, or per se, whenever you do the oil service, 10,000 or once a year, you got to do it. This should hold true for the MK6 Jettas. It should hold true for some of the Golfs, and then also for Passats. So I'm going to show you guys two different ways you can do this. One, you can do it through the car using the two buttons on the instrument cluster, or you can use the OBDEleven that you guys have seen me do in the past. And with that, we can hook it up to the car, use it, set up to the phone, and then make sure it works. So let me get set up, and then I'll show you how it's done. Okay guys, so I have the camera flipped around, car is not running right now. What you'll notice is when I plug in my key, or when I put in my key and turn to ignition on, right up here, this is the base Jetta, you'll notice it says service or service due with a little wrench sign on it. So I'm putting my key in and I'm turning the car, and you'll notice right here it says service. So in order to fix this, we can do it two different ways. I have gone through and gotten the oil change has been done on the car, but if you notice, if I use my left one right here, it will say service is past due like 500 because it hasn't been reset. Yes, if it was done at the dealer, they would reset it. So what we're going to do is we're going to use two buttons on your dash. One is the one on this side and the one is on this side. So in order to do this, you can do it. Sorry about that. You can do it with these buttons, or you can use OBDEleven. I'm going to show you how it's done with both. So at least you guys know if you have either or, you can do it. If you don't have the OBDEleven, you can still do it by using the buttons. So what you need to do is, while the car is off, you will hold down this button, turn the key on, and then let go of the button on your right hand side, and then press this. So let's try this. So with that pressed down, turn the car on, let go, press this, and you notice that it has been reset. Let me focus it a little better. So you notice the oil light has been reset. And also, if I turn the car off and back on, I don't get a service light anymore. It's going to the mileage, and I can go through different places if I want to and trip. So that was the first way you can do it. Now what I'm going to do is also fire up screen record. Start now. So it's starting the screen record. I'm going to leave the car right there. Obviously, this will not change the service there, but at least you can see it. So load up your OBDEleven. I have it connected. Go to your car connection. Make sure the Bluetooth is on. Once your Bluetooth is connected, connect to the car. You can read the problems, or you can go into cars, and then it should load a Jetta for you. Hopefully you guys can see me better. I just had to flip the camera around. So in here, I'm going to click on apps. Once you click on apps, there are three options up top. There's adjustments, retrofit, or workshop. So click on workshop. Once you're in the workshop, there's oil service reset. So here's a little caveat to that. If you do this way, which is your OBDEleven using your phone, whether it's I believe they have Apple devices available now, the app as well, but I'm using an Android device. You're going to lose 10 credits. Since I'm making a video, it doesn't really matter. I'm going to do it. It has been done. All you have to do is hold down this green button on the bottom. And once you hold that down, it's going to reset the oil. So I'm going to click on it. I'm going to hold it down. It says working. It says success. It has been done. Obviously, I don't have it reset, so I couldn't show you with the service, but essentially, there are two different ways you can do it. Moving forward, if you have the OBDEleven, great. If you don't, you can do it manually, totally up to you. If you have any questions, please put them down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. Make sure you just subscribe and share. Thank you.